Nigga, North. King Fat, I'm back. Once again, baby, just for chat, man. Puts it down for the North, man. Where the squares at? Find me up a short, nigga. No cross, nigga. Coming through horse, nigga. Where he at? Like a drop back course, nigga. Hey, I'm off the chain. Motherfuck you and your fucking lames. Y'all full of games, and I be full of chips, man. I be in the hood, man, riding with the crip niggas. But I fuss with the blood, so don't get mad at me if I holler out cuz. Hey, just like that, nigga. I'm from the killer city where we get a cops at. This chat, nigga, right there in Brain Hood. That's me, baby. That's why I came up. Yeah, I'm famous. It's King Fat, man. Ass about the cane, bro. I rolled up with the chose, you know about me, cause I done pulled up with the hoes, nigga. I'm talking the best of them. I don't fuck the rest of them. All the hoes you got now, I don't fuck the next ones. I keep some on deck, man. It's Mr. Get Wasted. I keep it fucking wet, nigga. You don't want it with me. It's FAT's, they're a real fucking beast, nigga. Check 10, I growed up in the East, nigga. Love Brainer, I raised in those streets, nigga. And you can ask about the bar. What you wanna know about me? Cause I'm coming through now, cuz. You don't want it, cuz on deck, man. I catch you on your corner. I'm bout it. I'm talking straight bout it. What you wanna know, nigga? You better doubt it. Don't run up on me, cause you a die, cuz. Where you at now? Talking about me loud, bruh. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, cause I catch you on the punk, nigga. I'm a beast and I show it. Where you at, nigga? Cause I'm coming. Ask your girl about me. She got my number, so you can call anytime that you want it. Cause she call me all the time. Every time you leave the crib, I be right behind you. In your house, eating your snacks. Bending your girl over, hitting her from the back, nigga. You better ask about Fat Boy Backdoor Jody. That's King Fat, nigga. I's a slick nigga with good dick, nigga. Hey, it ain't a bitch I can't hit, nigga. You better know about the boy. Just like Pat, I'm a Tennessee nigga. The goals in my mouth, and I shows out every time I pull up and pulls out. It's no doubt it. King Fat's bout it. Every time you see me out, King get rowdy. Hey. Nigga, it's King Fat, a motherfucker. I go hard when I want to. I can catch you now, man, and put it out, put it on you. You's a sucker, you know it. This ain't what you want, baby. I ain't going. You can call my phone. I'm at the crib now, baby. We can get it on. What you wanna know about me, nigga? Chat team once again, Tennessee, nigga. From the east, nigga. North, burn the beach, nigga. CRI, motherfucking P, nigga. What? Hey, this ain't no choice, nigga. I was raised like this. I growed up to be a beast, bitch. I got a piece. And I piss off in your mouth. Once again, Tennessee, put it down for the South. I'm not going. Check out the grill, nigga. It's not showing. Hey, y'all straight suckers. Punk pussy motherfuckers. And I'ma ride this beat. And if you come to my crib, I'ma fire that heat, nigga. This ain't what you want, boy. Leave me alone, cause I'ma get the punk, boy. You's a sucker. Straight pussy punk motherfucker. I'll kill you and your fucking clock. Straight busters, sucker, motherfuckers. King Fat Tub, bitch.